Dave here with Half Dozen Customs at another car show today. Let's see what we got.
735. This is a tricky number, 666. It's okay. Someone's going to win. Doesn't have to be sinful, right? It's okay. We got it right. You won again. All right, you can get your fingernails done. That's awesome. Thank you for supporting the Boys and Girls Club. It's girlfriends. All right. You just made brownie points. That's awesome. Gift certificate from New Attitude Hair and Nail Salon. Winning ticket number 735745. 745. 745. Right here. She's lucky. Lucky. Thank you for supporting the Boys and Girls Club. That's awesome. Okay, what's next, Sydney?
They are from 60 to 66.
Well, hope everyone's hungry. This one's from Martin's Supermarket. Oh, it's a Starbucks coffee in a mug. Sorry, Ethan. Winning ticket is 735663. 663. No name on the back.
Yeah, you're doing one. Yeah.
663. Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
The cab is 63.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Hope you're hungry again. We're going to Christo's Family Dining. 2 winners here. Thank you, Chris Curtis and family. Winning ticket number 735563. And it's Ted Rodering. Ted, you out there? 653. Ted Rodering. He may have already left, but he was nice enough to leave a phone with us, so we'll call Ted. Second winner is ticket number 735494. Maybe John Wen?
Go low, right?
Police force, thank you, John. Appreciate it. Thanks for the help last weekend. Weird. Sorry. Thank you, John. Thanks for being here.
After work, I said, hey, Will. Yes, he is.
Okay, this is Low Bob's, but it's for milkshakes. Now I'm telling you, has anyone been to Low Bob's to have a milkshake? It seems like the most unlikely place. They're unbelievably good. Pull up to the drive-thru window and get a milkshake. Running ticket number 735726. Hey!
Kind of scary on this place. Well, just because it's floppy in the front. I think I figured out what some of the clunk and the flop was. Them upper control arms are pretty good.
Here you go. You're all set.
I will. Well, these eggers are gonna get it.
The next is, light make. It looks like a golf cooler towel. Insulated. And some golf balls. Those never get lost. Winning ticket number 735717. 717. All right. Mrs. Eisman, you get to go golf. That's good. And hey, before I forget, happy Father's Day tomorrow to all the dads out there. Thank you. Thanks for being here and spending the day with us. This is from Hoffman Brothers Auto Parts. They do us a lot of help here. So it is a wash bucket, hats, and all kinds of gear to keep your car clean. Winning number 735581. 581. And this is Longeneckers. Where's Longeneckers? Yeah, he's walking this way. Here we go. Good. Okay, the next. There are 7 winners from Car Wash at 821, which is a car wash down the street. You guys know Chuck? It's my brother-in-law. You talk about a crazy good detailer, it's Chuck Wayne. And I think he's here. I think he's got his burgundy Mustang. Where you at, Chuck? He's here. There he is.
Best car wash in town.
Hands down. Okay, first winning ticket number 735595. 595. All right, guys, there you go, buddy. Okay, second winner. 735532. 532. This is TJ. The DJ.
Videoing for YouTube.
Huh?
Videoing for YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
I have my own YouTube channel.
All right. Tell everybody in the military I said hi.
Will do.
And be safe. Thank you for serving.
You too.
The next winner ticket, 735524. That's Rick Height.
Oh, you like that? Oh,
Rick. I know he's out there. He's got the Corvette. Here he comes. Thanks, Rick. Next winning ticket is 735586. Cindy Milner. Cindy, where are you at? Cindy? Okay, well, she was a good girl. She put her name and phone number on here, so we'll find her if she's not here right now. Next winning ticket is 735-602. That's Dawn Sellers. Dawn, you win again.
Remember that, honey? Fire, dude. Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, the next two. Oh, the buckets from all the wash gear that we have one for. 735565. Carmen Del Rey.
Well, I don't know.
Carmen Younger. You want a great wash bucket? May 21.
Yeah, we don't have to roll.
Mr. Cruse. Get your might just be one. Okay, 661. Randy, you won again.
I'm gonna take his vote. You're getting hungry, huh?
No. I bought it for you. I'm going to do a couple things.
I think I'm heading back now. Want me to do other things? That doesn't affect it. And a fat bill profile.
If I had that, I could have taken all kind of ones. Yeah.
He gets there. Yeah.
There's not a problem. You're good.
That's why I wouldn't watch Saturday night.
We went to that.
I just like it went over to that Cadillac. They ruined that Cadillac because they made it look like that. Well, they fucked that up.
Yeah, look at that one. That's the antique.
That's the one you gave.
That's the antique like me. Hell no, I'm only 19.
Yeah.
Oh, you think you.
And I still taste pussy. I'm 78. Hell yeah.
Oh, well.
You have your left leg? See, off my left leg, that's right.
Okay, well, that was it. Little car show, but a lot of nice cars here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you at the next one.